In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a free Replit account. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the Replit website. Before continuing, take a moment to make sure the web address is spelled correctly and that your browser shows a secure connection. Once the homepage finishes loading, look at the top right corner of the page and click the Create Account button to begin the sign-up process. You'll be given two options for creating your account. You can continue with a Google account or sign up using an email address. Choose the option that works best for you. If you choose to continue with Google, follow the prompts that appear on your screen and allow the required access so your Replit account can be created using your Google profile. If you decide to sign up with an email address instead, enter your email when prompted and continue by following the on-screen instructions to secure your account. Whichever sign-up method you choose, take a moment to read the on-screen messages and the terms before continuing so you know what you're agreeing to. After your account has been created, you'll be asked to choose a username. This is the name that other people will see on Replit, and it can also become part of your profile's web address. Choose a username that you're comfortable sharing. Try to pick one that's easy to read, relevant to you, and doesn't include personal details. If your preferred username is already taken, make a small adjustment by adding a short word or number until you find one that's available while still keeping it simple and easy to remember. Once your username has been set, you'll be taken to your Replit dashboard. This is where you'll see your recent projects, recommended templates, and options to explore projects created by other users. Take a moment to look around and become familiar with the layout. The interface is designed to make it easy to find your projects and start something new whenever you're ready. When you're ready to begin, start creating your first app directly from the dashboard. Select the programming language or choose a starter template that matches what you want to build. Then continue from there. That's all there is to it. Your free Replit account has now been created successfully. You can now access your dashboard, create new projects, explore templates, and begin working on your first app. In future tutorials, we'll cover how to create your first project and explore the editor so you can continue building with confidence. Thank you for watching.